How to advertise your service business like Superman. What if Superman had a home service business on the side? How would he advertise his services to his ideal customer? Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of a small service company located in Denver, Colorado. If you're an owner of a home service company and you struggle to advertise your business to your ideal customer because traditional forms of advertising like EDDM and door flyers have failed you, then I'm going to show you how you can advertise your business like Superman. What if Superman had a pool cleaning business? Would he try to send a mass mailing like EDDM to blast an entire area? No! If he wanted to blast an area, he would use his super breath to blast it away. Would he walk door to door, hanging door flyers? No! Why walk when he can fly? You see, Superman's powers allow him to fly. And as he's flying through the air, he can look down to all the homes below him and see which homes have a pool and which ones do not. This allows him to advertise his pool cleaning company with a custom postcard he made to only those homes that have a pool and not waste his time or money on those homes without pools. Let me ask you a question. What if you received advertising from a company offering pool cleaning, but you don't have a pool? Wouldn't you think that business just wasted a lot of money advertising to you? But that's what you and I do every time we advertise our service using EDDM and hanging door flyers. We're simply blasting an area, hoping at least one customer wants to use our service. It's not targeting your ideal customer. It's hopeful advertising. So, what's the solution? I know. You're saying to yourself, Mike, that's stupid. I don't have superpowers that allow me to fly. Well, you and I might not have superpowers, but we are the superheroes of our business. And I'm going to show you a tool I use. A tool so powerful, a tool that has a superpower to allow you to fly over neighborhoods, to advertise your business to your ideal customer, just like Superman.